When you're starting with a small budget, the market feels unwelcoming. Images of shouting traders on crowded floors and dizzying ticker tape make it look less like a tool for building wealth and more like an exclusive, high-stakes casino where the house always wins. But modern trading apps had introduced fractional shares. Instead of needing $200 to buy a single share, you can slice off a piece for $5. This rewires the math. A $50 budget can now be divided to purchase different companies simultaneously. Because that financial barrier is gone, your challenge isn't getting into the market anymore. The real work is building a sleep peacefully strategy, a portfolio that balances safety with growth, completely removing the stress of trying to guess single winning stocks. The first and most critical piece of this $50 blueprint is an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, called VU. Instead of placing a bet on one specific business, this fund expands your single purchase across the top 500 companies in the United States simultaneously. By holding this, you instantly own fractions of the biggest tech and retail giants in the world, giving you a direct stake in the broad performance of the entire American economy. For this starting portfolio, we allocate exactly half of our $50 budget, $25, directly into VU. Committing 50% to a 500-company grid gives you massive, immediate diversification. It builds a structural safety net into your portfolio, ensuring that if any single company fails, your overall investment remains secure. With the foundation set, we move to the next layer by allocating 20% of the portfolio, or $10, to Apple. Apple's value isn't driven by fleeting tech hype. It rests on a historical foundation of intense consumer loyalty and a hardware ecosystem that millions of people interact with daily. We assign another 20%, our next $10, to Microsoft. Microsoft provides longevity. They have successfully transitioned from selling legacy home software in cardboard boxes to dominating modern enterprise business tools and cloud computing infrastructure. If you prefer, Amazon serves as a perfectly viable substitute for either of these. While known for e-commerce, their massive AWS cloud computing division provides multiple income streams, making it a balanced growth alternative. Together, these tech blue chips make up 40% of your portfolio. They act as stabilizers, providing reliable, long-term growth and paying out extra income through dividends, so your account continues to progress even during slow market periods. When observing the current boom in artificial intelligence, it is natural for a beginner to feel a fear of missing out. This is where we introduce NVIDIA. NVIDIA manufactures the physical hardware chips that are required to power modern artificial intelligence and operate massive data centers. However, high-growth stocks carry a harsh reality. They are inherently volatile, meaning their value can crash just as rapidly as it surges. To manage that volatility, we dedicate strictly the final 10% of our initial budget, just $5, to this specific company. By capping your growth bet at 10%, you position yourself to capture the upside of massive technological trends without risking your entire financial foundation if the hype bubble eventually pops. Looking at this diagram, we have a finalized $50 blueprint. It balances 50% safety in the S&P 500, 40% steady growth through tech blue chips, and a 10% high reward allocation. As you implement this, you must follow two strict rules. Never dump your entire life savings in at once, and rigorously ignore the daily hype cycles manufactured on social media. Real wealth is built slowly through compound interest. To see meaningful results from this structure, you need to commit to a timeline of at least 3 to 5 years. Financial freedom does not come from accurately guessing the next perfect winning stock. It comes from starting small and remaining consistent. If you are committing to your 3 to 5 year journey today, drop the words "started" in the comments below.